The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the
Crafting Nook. Hello to all my crafty creators. How y'all doing? Y'all, I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook. You see, I'm so excited to get ready to tell you this story. Okay. Okay. So, why did I record both of these at the same time, right? But this one, I knew I would be able to go ahead and demold it first. Okay. Because it's out of the Puduo regular epoxy. Okay. And so I was like, okay, so I'll be able to come back out here and do this real quick. This is the deep casting resin here. All right. And friend, like it's red, like this right here. Y'all can see that. Like I'm afraid. The rest of it, I'm not afraid. But if it mess up, you know, then it just mess up. I got like one more. I should wait one more day. That's what I should do. But I'm so ready to get this project over with. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've been ready to get this over with, ready to get that over with. And so anyway, it is what it is. Okay. So we're gonna take some Dawn soapy water. Okay. And I'm gonna take this and peel it back here a little bit. Because I feel that, honey. I feel that joker. All right. So what we're going to do is get it loose all the way around. Get it loose. See how it is? Let me show you. See how that lifts up? What I want to do is get some water, this soapy water, and spray down in there. All right. I hope I'm still in the frame. I was trying to make sure I stay in frame. But I want to get some water to go all the way down. All right. Ooh, honey. And I'm going to start twisting. This is the best way that I've seen for me to get things released and out. Okay. See, it's not all the way in this bottom part yet. Oh, come on, friend. Give it up. Friend. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it to pop loose just now. Oh, yeah. Okay, friend. All right, we get ready to twist on out. Get out of here. Push, push. Oh, friend. You know what? It's cute, though. Friend, why is you playing games with me? Oh, it's cute. What do you expect? I shouldn't have had that extra piece right there. So when you do this, stop. Don't let it go all the way through. Wait a minute. Let me get some of the mess up first. And flip this back out because I don't want it to be like a big mess. So you saw what I had to do to get that one out. And being that this one is a little soft at the end, I don't think I need to get do any more from down there. I mean, I don't think I need to do the other one. Not right now, friend. If I do, friend, it's gonna be messed up. And I don't want to do that. Okay. Okay. But it's cute. No bubbles. Wait a minute. Let me fully inspect, okay? Before I say that. Honey, them little fish right there that they taking home. They better hurry up and get them home, honey, because they about to fight and everything else. the turtle all the way to all the way to the top. Girl, them little these little fish and stuff, they doing stuff, girl. They acting out. But it is cute. This lucky bag is cute. This lucky bag is cute. I want to try the other one. I do. Can we try the other one too, y'all? Oh gosh. Don't something telling me don't do it. Something telling me don't do it. I'm gonna do it anyway, because I'm hard-headed. Y'all, do y'all realize when y'all hard-headed and when y'all not? Like, why would I be hard-headed if I know this is like, this is good. This right here is good. It's this that I'm worried about. That's what I'm worried about. Let's do it. 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 Oh, come on. Let's do it. Let's dance. Let's something. Oh, do it. Y'all, somebody call me I don't know whether they're a new subscriber or rather they, just came by for a moment. But they called me Wicked. I was like, oh, that's totally cool. But, I was like, Wicked as in, ooh, or what? I mean, I think it was in a good way. If not, I took it as a good way. Oh, gosh, I tell y'all. The Crafting Nook is what keeps me going. You hear me? You hear me? Do y'all hear me? Speaking to y'all. Oh, my hand's just too wet. Like, Freya, I got so much of a mess everywhere. Like, okay, I wanted to, just give me a second. Just give me a second, please. Oh, gracious. Y'all, what isn't that something? So, okay, let me go ahead and keep trying. In a minute. See, I can't twist it right now. My hands is like wet. Okay. That's what we need to do. Like, just to start oh, y'all, that's soft down there a little bit. Oh, friend. I might have not needed to do it. But I'm trying to work it anyway. Okay. It's too late. It's too late. Oh. Yeah, what about this? Oh, friend. Oh, friend. Look at the bag. Y'all, I told you this was a dirty bag already. Like, dirty bag. Look, y'all, look at, I'm gonna pop it right here. Okay. And, oh gosh. And we're gonna do it like this. Like for real in the store, for real. Y'all, this was since yesterday. Okay. It would have been cool to have it, just great day in the morning. Oh. Yes, I'm Southern, very Southern, South Carolina Southern. Oh, wait a minute. I said, wait a minute, friend. All right. So this is the dirty bag, but it looks nice because it's got some of the particles from the dirt, from the sand, and it went down there. So it's actually exactly what I said, the dirty bag. You see all the moss flying all up everywhere. Like this worker right here, they didn't want to work. They didn't want to work today. They didn't want to work when we came to pick out these fish. That's what you got. You got to use your imagination, friend. Use your imagination. Okay? This worker did not want to come to work today. They was lazy. They got called in on a Saturday, and they was going to the hockey game, and they was like, "Oh no, I can't. I'm not feeling it today. Okay, I'm not feeling it today." So they decided to throw everything in there. Okay, they didn't worry about letting the pretty fish be seen, you know, through there. They just wanted to do everything. And look how they tied the bag, friend. Look at the bag, friend. Oh, that's a vibe right there. That is a vibe. All right, so let me wipe my hands off really good, because I got one part that was yesterday, and I'm gonna release this part today. Both of the parts is being released today, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. Okay, I really do apologize, but yeah. Oh, and by the way, I had some resin left over. This is the deep pour, and you see it, it's the, oh, friend, leave it alone. All right, so y'all know deep pour is deep pour. All right, use it for a deep pour. If you don't, friend, why are you doing it? If you don't use it for a deep pour, you know it's gonna be a mess. So don't try to use a deep pour in no coasters. All right, if you do, you lost out, friend. You didn't get the memo. You did not get the memo. All right. Just letting you know in advance. You did not get the memo. All right. So lucky bags don't have to always be fish. You know, they could be candy. They could be anything you want them to be. All right. Lucky bags are a lucky bag. You might find a lucky bag that's got different toys or something in it. So, you know, I just chose to put fish in there. And my first idea was to put a picture in here in the lucky bag, but I couldn't find the right picture that I wanted, so I didn't do it. Plus I didn't have the paper that I wanted to use, so I didn't do it. All right, so oh, friend, how you gonna get that out, friend? You better wait till it dry, friend. Y'all, I'm just gonna leave that in there. I'm gonna leave it in there till it cures. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I did use Laura's Expression Deep Blue Sea in this one. Okay, I did. And in this one, I used a little bit of Laura Expression's Deep Ocean Blue, along with some Pinata ink. I used some other Pinata. I thought I used Pinata Teal as well. Oh gosh, I think I did, y'all, but I don't know. Just follow along in the video, I guess. That's all I can tell you. But yeah. And I said this moss come from Dollar Tree. It don't come in this, it comes in a bag. These shells come from Dollar Tree. It come in a regular little bottle. I didn't use any of these, but they come from Dollar Tree. And the sand came from Dollar Tree as well. Okay. I used the Dazzling Diamond from May Spring. Okay. It gives that shimmer effect from off of this one. Can you see? Okay. And that was it, friend. That was it. So y'all tell me how y'all like it, and tell me what y'all would do with y'all lucky bag. Okay? Because my lucky bag was just look at my lucky bag, girl. Look at my lucky bag, girl. got a lot of fish. Better have a saltwater tank. Look at my lucky bag. This one. I got all kind of fish and stuff, and turtles and sea rays and jellyfish and grass and sand and all kind of mess. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this, especially this part, because friend, I was just trying to do something. Just trying to do something, honey. All right. So, and see, you see how this worker here did not want to work. Look at her. She just tied the bag and just sitting on. That's why it's so dirty in there. Okay, y'all. I'll see you later. Bye for now. I love you guys.